In primetime news tonight, worsening drought. Prime Minister Holness outlines grim situation facing the nation. More pressure. PAAC pushing government to get tough on security companies paying guards below minimum wage. Wipe it out. Justice Minister wants certain sexual crimes to be expungible.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, I'm sure you remember that earlier this year, Wigton Wind Farm was raising money to list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. So guess what? 11 billion shares were listed today, and I'll have more on that in the business day.
And of course, Andrea is in place of Herman Green, who is not here after National Woolmas Day yesterday. Okay, this one is not from Woolmas, but Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Archie. Well, not quite Reggae Girls Day. However, the Reggae Girls squad for the big dance in France has been announced. We'll give you the details when we return.
I don't want to see you dance. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking, what is your view on the proposal for some killings and certain sexual offenses to be expungible, meaning the records can be cleared after a certain amount of time?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.